Hello Aries, welcome to my page and thanks for stopping here. Thanks for joining me. And so first of all, we'll pull out one card just to see what's the overall energy for Aries and then clarify. So these are the current energies. Let's see what are the messages for Aries. What are the message? What is the overall energy for Aries? Okay, so for the overall energy, we have the Ace of Wands. So you are having a new beginning. You are having a new beginning over here in whatever field of your life, and you are feeling very, very passionate about it. Okay, and this new beginning is something which is, excuse me, this new beginning is something which is given to you by the divine. It's a divine intervention in your life. The universe wants you to follow this path or have this new beginning. It's something beautiful which is coming in your life. Okay, let's see what is this Ace of Wands about. What is this Ace of Wands here for Aries? Why is this Ace of Wands here for Aries? So for the Ace of Wands, we have the Seven of Wands, the Four of Wands, the Ace of Swords, the Queen of Wands, the Ten of Swords, the Nine of Swords, and the Sun. Okay. So Aries, okay, so what I feel here is with the Seven of Wands, you have been working on this, you want to work on this, or it is something like you knew it's there, it's not something which has happened unexpectedly, and you have started working on it, or you're planning to do that, and it is something which is going to give you inner peace. Maybe you do not have many people with you to join at the start. Okay, maybe you have to sort of struggle in that way. Okay, maybe you have to struggle in that way to achieve whatever this new beginning is, or even make a start towards this new beginning. Maybe people point fingers at you, maybe people they don't get convinced or they don't join you, maybe there is some struggle associated with this. But then, since it is your vision, it is your project, it is your relationship, it is your life, it's your dream, whatever it is, what I feel is you will start it. You will start it. You get the support or you don't get the support, you get the nod or you don't get the nod, you will start it. People may point fingers at you for whatever this new beginning is for you, but then you will choose your peace, you will choose your thing, and you will take a decision to move ahead. That's what I feel. And with the Four of Wands, you will definitely be successful here. Okay, if it can be a relationship, whatever it is for you, it is something which is going to give you a stability. It is happiness, commitment, it is permanent sort of a thing. It is something which is very, very stable. Okay, whatever it is, and you really feel a lot of passion even while doing it, whatever this is. If it is a relationship, then you are definitely feeling a lot of passion for this person. Okay, and with the Ace of Swords, you really have the clarity. Since you know you have achieved, you have reached this level, you really know now how you're supposed to move ahead. You have the clarity in your thoughts, you know how it is supposed to be carried on. Okay, that's what it is. In spite of people pointing fingers at you, people not supporting you, whatever the scenario is, in spite of the difficulties, I should put it that way, you will keep on moving ahead, and you will have the clarity slowly and steadily how to go on. And with the Queen of Wands, you will feel definitely very, very good about yourself. You feel victorious, you feel happy, you are definitely confident about whatever your achievement is over here. The Ten of Swords, the Nine of Swords, and the Sun. This seems to be that temporary energy. That one thing is for sure. With the Ten of Swords, you are completing this cycle, whatever it is. Maybe at some point in time, you may feel that people have sort of left you. You were expecting that support. You were expecting somebody to be there on your path with you, but somehow people didn't support you. So it is something like, and that may have caused you that anxiety with the Nine of Swords being there. But then, this is something when you feel sort of cheated, sort of backstabbed. Okay, you were expecting somebody to be there and this person didn't turn up. Okay, it can be that, or maybe there are some other difficulties. But whatever it is, whatever the feeling here is, you are able to deal with it. Okay, and with the Nine of Swords, this definitely is a phase of anxiety and tension in your life. But then just see the beauty. We are ending with the Sun card. So with the Sun card being there, whatever it is, like all's well that ends well. It is giving you a lot of happiness. You're feeling liberated, you're feeling happy, you've achieved it all. It is all glory, all success. Okay, so you, whatever this Ace of Wands is for you, Aries, you are able to put it to the final. You are able to take it to its destination if it is your work related scenario. If it is a relationship which you are looking for, what this new beginning is for you with the Ace of Wands, definitely you will be able to achieve happiness in this relationship, even if there are slight ups and downs or some reasons for anxiety over here. But still you will be able to make it, and you will feel ultimately happy that you took the right decision. So Aries, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps. Bye. Thank you.